Hey, welcome back to Cool Guitar, and let's draw the very strange looking plague skin in Fortnite. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and to begin we're going to start out with the bottom of the hat first, so we can rough in the eye area. So in the middle here, you can make a little point. I'm just going to slant out on both sides. And don't worry about the length of the line yet. Okay, so once we have that, we're gonna draw in the eyeball. So just come out to the side slightly. Just gonna draw almost like a half circle. So here's the middle again. Come out here. Let's draw like a half circle. All right, and then once we have that on the side here, you can draw a little bracket like this first, kind of coming inwards. And then we're gonna continue it all the way to the back to the middle. It's gonna be pretty sharp. Okay, so that's basically gonna be the shape of the head. And then now in the middle here, we're gonna draw in some details. So come down here, and then we're just gonna draw one curve going down on each side. So it's just gonna be one smooth curve. And then let's rough in the rest of the hat first before we draw in the details here. So here I'm just going to extend it slightly. Okay, and then I'm going to go up for his hat. Now I'm going to come back to the middle here. You can make a little point. And then I'm going to go up. Just a little V shape. And I'm stopping here because I want to add a little bit of a little cut here on his hat. And then I'm going to continue that. So on this side, we're just going to go straight up. And then just curve it. And just come down straight and connect to the other side. Okay, and then now for the inside, right here, we're just going to curve. This hat's a little bit strange. There's a lot of little details, but I'm not sure what it is. And then in here, there's gonna be a bar, so I'm just gonna draw in 2 lines. And then one more detail on his hat here. I'm just gonna take the same curve, just draw another one. And then the corner just kind of come down. And then now for the details in here, it's kind of small, so I'm gonna simplify it. I'm just gonna draw in 2 lines coming inward. Just close it off. And then on the side here, I'm just gonna draw a few of these little squares or rectangles. I'll probably just draw 3 since I can't draw too small. Just go all the way down. And on the bottom here, let's just draw one longer one. Alright, so that's pretty much the head, and let's move on to the body. And he's got a really big collar, so I'm going to come down here right about in the middle, just go out, and then drawing the opposite curve. This is actually going back. I know it's a little bit strange, but once we draw in all the lines, it will make sense. And then on the side here, just going to come down. And then we're going to curve back in, same curve as that one. Okay, so this is going to be one collar. And then for his neck, we're coming down. This is the clothing. That's very strange looking. And then here, we just close it off, come back to the middle. Okay, and that's the neck and collar area. So now let's draw in the whole body. Let's see on the shoulder here, we're just gonna go out. So it's gonna be kind of wide. And then let's just pinch it back in, into the waist. Close it off. This is gonna be the top of his belt, and we just add in one section for his belt. And let's go back up here because he's got a lot of little details. So let's start up here. Okay, toward the center, just go out. So this is one big piece of cloth over his shoulder. And then there's some detail here. Circle. We add one line from the circle, just go all the way out. Okay, and then inside here, looks like he's got suspenders or something. So I'm just gonna draw a rectangle coming in. And again, circle, inside. And then curve, just connect that. And then this side is just gonna go out. Alright, and then in the middle, it's got another pocket. So this one's easy. We're just gonna draw in a rectangle in the middle. He's got a little bit of detail, so I'm just gonna draw one line here. And then on the side here, it looks like he's got a little flask. So we're gonna draw in a circle. And then the top here, just a little rectangle. Okay, and then let's see his belt. It's got a bunch of these little loops here. So I'm just gonna draw, let's see, 1, 2 in the middle, and then just 2 on each side. And then it's got more of these containers. So I'm just gonna, from these 2 lines, just curve it. So it looks like there's something in there. Okay, so it'll probably make more sense once I start coloring this. So let's move on to the arm. So the armpit, right around here, can come out. Here's the shoulder. I'm gonna leave a little bit of space here. Makes it look like it has thicker shoulder pads. And then the bicep bracket. Here's the elbow. Okay, lower arm, go out. This one curved in, this one comes down. Just close it. And then for the fist, it's easy. Just gonna come down, draw a little hook. Back of the fist. Just curve it and just kind of close it off. Alright, so let's draw on the other side first before we add in the details. So armpit area, and make the same mark. Give a little bit of space. Shoulders coming down, and then again, biceps, bracket, lower arm, come out. This one curves inward, and then this one comes straight down. Close it off, use the other side for reference. This fist coming down, little hook. Then here's the back of the fist. Curve and just close it. Okay. And yeah, these are just regular arm shapes, so it's pretty much the same for a lot of characters I've been drawing. Okay, so then for the details here, looks like it's got one strap. Add a little bit of detail for the buckle. It's got another strap right here, right at the elbow. And then it's got a bunch of little straps here, so I'm just gonna draw in one. And then for these lines, I'm gonna kind of give a slightly different angle. So it looks like it's being wrapped around. Okay, so same thing here. Buckle detail. Then one strap here, right at the elbow. And then one line, and then a few lines, different direction. Alright, so that's the upper body, and moving down, so it's got a cloth hanging over, so we're just gonna extend it out. So this is gonna flare out quite a bit. And then we're gonna come down, just kind of curve it. Just gonna add a little bit of waviness to it. Okay, and then let's draw in the legs. So just kind of imagine, this is the middle, and we're coming down here. Here's the leg, so we're gonna come in here. Curve in, here's the middle, come over a little bit, curve in. Okay, and then now for the knee, bracket, and then we'll just close that off. Okay, so same thing on this side, start over here, curve, back to the middle, come over slightly, curve, and then the knee bracket, close it with a slant. Right, so now let's draw his boot, and then we'll add in all the little details. So for his boot here, we're gonna flare out quite a bit, close it off, and now come back in, pinch it in all the way down to his foot, close it, and then for his shoes, we're gonna keep it simple, curve. This one's gonna curve out, close it, and I'm just gonna add one section for the sole. Okay, so let's draw on the other side. So same thing here. It's gonna flare out quite a bit, close it, come inside, close, and then same thing here, curve down, and this one's gonna go out more, close it, and then one section. Okay, and then for his boot right here, it's got a lot of straps, so same thing here. We're just gonna draw in a bunch of lines and just kind of give it a slightly different angle to it. So just kind of alternating. Okay, so it'll kind of look like it's wrapping around. And then for the details up here, we're just gonna keep it simple. I'm just gonna add in two little rectangles. So just draw one and then draw one more on the bottom. Okay, and actually I almost forgot, he's got some clothing on the back here. So we're seeing the back of this, so come back to the middle, go off to the side slightly, come down, and this side as well. So I'm gonna come down, then just kind of go out, behind the legs. Alright, and then lastly, some details up here. So he's got a big pocket again, so we're gonna draw in one rectangle up here. And again, same detail, one line, and then let's see, he's got a smaller pocket in here, so I'm just gonna draw another rectangle. And then on the side here, it looks like he's got some more of those little bottles. So I'm just gonna extend this rectangle. Draw one line here in the middle, and then again on the ends right here, I'm just gonna curve it. And that is it for this weird looking plague skin in Fortnite. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.